Today we're making fajita seasoning from scratch. To start, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is not necessary, but it is a thickening agent that will give you a little bit of a sauce when you make your fajitas. Next, we're going to need 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm using smoked paprika. It just brings another element of flavor. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of white sugar. This ingredient is another one that's not necessary, but it helps balance the flavors. We need a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. We need a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, and lastly, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now, if you don't like spicy things, don't worry. This is a very small amount when it comes to putting this seasoning in your recipe, so it will not be super spicy. Then I just put it out pretty on this plate to show you guys, and I have to say it's not the most practical way to measure out your ingredients. You can just measure them right into a bowl, into a jar, or into your recipe. When I made this, I wasn't sure how much total seasoning it would yield. I mixed it all together. I got it into a little bowl of my own. And then this recipe says that 3 tablespoons is about equal to what 1 packet of fajita seasoning from the store is. And I went to use this and it was just more than 3 tablespoons, the total recipe. So I just put the whole thing in my recipe. Now, if you guys want to make this seasoning for yourself, I'm going to put all of the ingredients and the link down below. And then if you guys are interested in how to make homemade sheet pan fajitas, this recipe is coming soon. Click here on screen to check it out. If it's not there, it will be soon. So stay tuned, subscribe for that. If it's not up yet, click on the recipe I have shown for you guys, and I will see you guys there.